have entered the prep zone. It's playoff volleyball time. Division I, the 23rd seed, the Baton Rouge Magnet Lady Lions, come to Mandeville to take on the Lady Skippers. The 10th seed, 23 versus 10, the homestanding Lady Skippers trying to advance through the playoffs. Pre-game with Coach Jody Walker. Coach, we hadn't seen y'all since the middle part of the season, but actually y'all came on strong and finished second in the district, so it had to be a pretty good, satisfying ending to the season.
We have. We've gotten consistently better throughout the year. We're hoping that momentum that we've built will help us in the playoffs right here, so that we can make a deep run into the playoffs. But right now, first we have to worry about the Baton Rouge High team and make sure that we can get by them.
Keys to victory for you getting by Baton Rouge High?
We're going to have to serve real well, and pretty much our key for the entire year has been serve-receive. If we serve-receive the ball well, we're a pretty good team. We can run a lot of good offense, but if we have trouble serve-receiving and become one-dimensional, then our offense is very predictable, as is most offenses, and we struggle greatly with that.
I don't know if you catch any of our telecasts, but the one thing that, I'm not even the coach. The one thing that gets me is that unforced service error.
That me too. We can accept some of them because one of my philosophies, or our philosophies, I should say, this year, we've been trying to amp up our serve. We've been going for it a little bit more, trying to hit positions and spots and things like that, and that tends to lead to a little bit more service errors when you're not used to it. So I can accept a little bit of service errors, but you're right. I mean, to go back there and miss 4 or 5 of them in a row is unacceptable, and we just have to correct things like that.
Pre-game with Coach Sheila Atchie. Coach, Baton Rouge Magnet, the first time we're going to see you this season. Give us a rundown on how your year's gone.
We had a pretty decent year. This is the first time in 6 years we've been in the playoffs. We finished 3rd in our district, to 3rd to actually St. Joe and Zachary, which are pretty quality teams. We were real pleased to be here, kind of set this as our goal, and just thrilled, with what the progress we've made from the beginning of the year to now.
Okay, you're on the plus side, a 20 victory season. Got to feel good about that. At 23rd seed, but you're going against the 10th seed. What are you going to have to do to get a victory today?
Biggest keys for us are going to be is serve, receive, passing. If we can pass decent, that's going to eliminate a lot of other problems for us, but that's going to be a key for us. In addition, biggest thing is going to be our coverage on middle block. They have a tremendous middle blocker, hits the ball really well, so our block's going to have to move really quickly, but our diggers in the back are going to be key. They're going to have to be on point on coverage and able to dig the balls up.
Division I by-district playoff. Baton Rouge Magnet at Mandeville. Samira Mohammed on the serve. LeComte that time with the kill attempt. There's a set across. Nice dig up front. But the first points go to the Lady Skippers. Set number 1, best 3 out of 5 for the right to play in the regional round. Kaylin Haley will serve it for Coach Walker's team. That one, nice serve. That one died right across the net. And the Lady Skippers with a quick 2-0 lead. Another rocket from Haley. Kaylin Haley, 3-0. At the net, 4-0. That good, strong serve from Kaylin Haley. It's like a curveball. Hits over the net and dies. Tough one to mess with. And we have somebody in the net. 4-1. Baton Rouge gets on the scoreboard. Maria Morgan to serve. Quick set in the middle for LeComte. And the kill for Marissa LeCompte to make it 5-1. 20-13 Baton Rouge Magnet coming into this afternoon's game. And Marissa LeCompte will serve it up. Again, something that Coach Atchie talked about pre-game, and that is being able to control the ball off of the serve. So far, not what she would like, I would say. LeCompte akin to serve. That one out. 6-2, unforced service error. Again, something I talked to Coach Walker about. You don't like it, but if he's taking some chances to try to get some points, go with it. Saley Sanson. And there's a kill from Boylan that makes it 7-2. On the Baton Rouge side, the people to look for are Maria Morgan and Megan Morin. They lead Coach Atchie's team in kills at 194, 183. Service by Brandy Bundy and not returned. But to get an opportunity to make those kills, they're going to have to do a better job on the serve. Playing the ball off the serve. Quick set, run around for Boylan. That's long. 8-3 Mandeville. Keaton Hall serving up. There's Boylan dishing out a big hit. Makes it 9-3. Emily Boylan. Coach Atchie's team 5-5 in their district. St. Joseph is in their district. They're the #1 team in the state. At the net, Boylan. And that's what we were discussing pre-game. Got to be able to control it to set up your players, not the other team's players. That's a good dig. That's a set, and it results in a point. Megan Morgan. And Megan rotates back, and she will serve. Boylan. Morgan. And Baton Rouge unable to get it back over. 11-4. Set #1, best 3 out of 5. The winner advances to the regionals. Allie LeBlanc, the libero for Coach Walker's team, serving. Cross court, big hit. Kaylin Haley with the kill. 12-4, the lead. That serve from LeBlanc is out. Natalie Bailey to serve. Quick set that time. LeCompte wide right on that kill attempt. 12-6. And Natalie Bailey will serve again. And that Did not get back over. 13-6, Mandeville. Sarah Renato will serve. At the net, Maria Morgan with the kill. She leads her team in kills with 194. They haven't had that many. Muhammad with the serve. Good dig by Muhammad, laying out on Lecomp's hit. LeBlanc, Renato, cross court. Haley. Kaylin Haley with the kill. (14-7). Lady Skippers. Kaylin Haley with that serve. Baton Rouge Magnet knocks it out. 15-7 now. And Kaylin Haley will serve again. Again, difficulty of dealing with the serve. Timeout by Coach Atchie. Her team trails by 9 in set number 1. Coming out of the timeout, Kaylin Haley with a rocket serve. Baton Rouge with a big hit. Able to set it up and get a kill attempt. Quick set at the middle of the net. That one gonna go wide from Dunnigan. Jessie Dunnigan long on her hit. 16-9, the Mandeville lead. Maria Morgan on the serve. And that one's wide right. (16-10) now, Mandeville. And Morgan to serve again. That hit from Dunnigan is long. Middle part of this first set. (17-11). Mandeville. Marissa Lecomte will serve it up. This one right at the net. Over the net was Mandeville. Contacted the ball over on the other side of the net. Results in a side out and a point. 17-12 now. Saley Sanson serving. That kill from Dunnigan makes it 18-12. Brandy Bundy serving. This one's out. 19-12. Bundy to serve again. Nice play from Megan Morgan to get her team a point. They trail by 6, 19-13 in the first set. It's best 3 out of 5. A bi-district playoff matchup. The 23 seed Baton Rouge and the 10th seed Mandeville here at Mandeville High. Dunnigan, Lafayette doing a real good job playing the last couple of kill attempts from Mandeville and actually saved a little dink. Longest rally of the match so far at 19-13. LeBlanc lays out for a great save. And the rally continues. Quick set, Boylan. We have someone in the net. What a great rally by both teams right there. But the Lady Skippers prevail. Coach Atchie actually buoyed by her play of her girls right there. Might give them a little bit of a confidence boost, is the thought. Sheffield on the serve, but they've got to be able to return the serves. 21-13, and Amber Sheffield will serve it up again. Boylan with what amounts to a dunk right there for Boylan. 22-13, Sheffield to serve. Good effort over there by Mohammed to try to play that. Timeout at 23-13. First round playoff action at Mandeville High. Coming out of the timeout, Amber Sheffield is going to serve. And we're lucky enough to have with us today one of the veteran referees, Mr. Chuck Dorvan is the head referee today at the net. You'll see him in the middle of your screen giving signals. Long time volleyball referee and a pretty renowned girls basketball coach, having won state championships at Ridgewood. Back in the day, he would say. Now the head girls basketball coach at EJ. That ends the first set at 25-13. The Lady Skippers, the number 10 seed, take it from the 23rd seed, Baton Rouge Magnet Lady Bulldogs.
St. Tammany Parish Public Schools, an A-rated school district. Graduates with the highest ACT scores in the state. Facilities with the latest technology. Safe and secure schools. A variety of sports. Fine arts. And learning to last a lifetime.
I'm Superintendent Trey Foles, and this is where we educate every child, every day.
Sarah Renato to serve it up to start set number 2, best 3 out of 5. 1-0, Mandeville. Nice dig there from Morgan. That one's in. And a good way for the Lady Bulldogs to start the second set. That one caught the net, but a dive by Sheffield kept it alive. Ooh, nice hit from Kaylin Haley to make it 1-1. Reagan Rogers to serve. Back set for Sanson. Unable to get to it. 2-1. Mandeville. Rogers on the serve. That's going to be long. And we're tied at 2. Sanson on the serve. Quick set for LeCompte. And a point on the kill. Marissa LeCompte banging it down. And LeCompte will serve it up after rotating to the back line. And we have a violation for someone in the net. LeCompte to serve again. Gomez. Nice play from Megan Morgan right there. Going up against the block. Took a little bit off of it. And the block was unsuccessful. Her team gets a point. They're down by 1, 4-3. And Keaton Hall served. And a nice block. And we have a point. We have a carry. And we're even Steven at 4. Hall, unforced service error. Stevie Henderson to serve. That one's going to be long. And back-to-back unforced service errors put it at 5 all. Megan Morgan served. This is Renato, took a little something off of it. And that's 4 hits. (6-5) the Mandeville lead in set number 2. They beat the Lady Bulldogs 25-13 in set number 1. And that's Boylan. Emily Boylan. She had a couple of those down the middle early in the game. And now pushes her team out by 2. That one's out. Baton Rouge is back within 1 at 7-6. Natalie Bailey to serve. Boylan. Just a little quick set there from Renato, and Boylan with a little elevation bangs it to the ground. 8-6 Mandeville. Allie LeBlanc. 9-6 with LeBlanc strong serve. LeBlanc again. Nine, 6, 10-6. After that serve, we got a timeout. Mandeville up by 4 over Baton Rouge in set number 2. LeBlanc to serve coming out of the timeout. 4-point lead. Make that 5-point with that strong serve. 5-point lead for the Lady Skippers. LeBlanc, another strong serve. This one at the net. LeCompte gets the kill. And a 6-point lead now with LeBlanc to serve again. Kaylin Haley goes wide right. 12-7 the score. And Samira Mohammed will serve. Mohammed leads her team in assists, 306 on the year. Quick set for LeCompte. Finds the angle. And the Lady Skippers are back to a 6-point lead with Sarah Renato to serve. Good placeage from Marissa LeCompte. Hey, a little shout out in the audience today. Mel Gaines, former Mandeville Lady Skipper, softball. She did it all, softball, basketball, everything. I think she did concessions during half times of everything. Mel Gaines, good to see her back. She's student teaching in the school system. And I think at one point when I saw her, I said I thought maybe she had come back because she'd already been here forever, it seemed like. But good to see Mel back at Earl High School. Good play right there from Sanson. 15-8 now. The Mandeville lead, and Maria Morgan will serve. Nice kill from Henderson to make it 16-8. Reagan Rogers will serve. The Lady Skippers. First round playoff action. We're at the Crow's Nest, Mandeville High School. Gomez with the finishing touches on that one to make it 17-8. Rogers again to serve. Good block, but good save by Mohammed. Henderson gets the benefit of the carom off the net, and an 18-8 lead now for the Lady Skippers. Rogers to serve again. LeCompte putting the roof on that one. 19-8. Reagan Rogers. 19-9. Saley Sanson will serve. Good save by Mohammed. Morgan unable to convert the kill attempt for the Lady Bulldogs. LeCompte now to serve. 20-9, the lead for the Lady Skippers. Gomez, good block of Boylan right there. Gomez, and that one's not coming back. 21-9. Timeout, Coach Atchie with her team trailing by 12 in set number 2. Coming out of the timeout, LeCompte will serve. And a point. 21-10, point for the Lady Bulldogs. Keaton Hall will serve. Someone in the net on that one. It looked like it was going to be out, but somebody in the net. 22-10. It appeared that that hit was going to be out, but somebody had from Baton Rouge Magnet had gotten in the net. Therefore, point to Mandeville. 22-10. Henderson with the jump serve. 23-10. Henderson again. Long on the serve. (23-11). Megan Morgan will serve. Quick set. Boylan knocks it down. 24-11. Megan Morgan and Maria Morgan are fraternal twins. What does that mean? Look it up. That's your homework for this evening. They're fraternal twins. Baton Rouge hanging in there even though it's set point. Well, Sarah Renato said, okay, let's put an end to it at 25-11. Set number 2 goes to the Lady Skippers. They're up 2-0. Samira Mohammed to serve it up in set number 3. The Lady Bulldogs trail 2-0 against the Lady Skippers. That block attempt is out. and a quick 1-0 lead. 25-13, 25-11. Mandeville has won the first two. That one's out. Have won the first two sets. 2-0 lead for the Lady Skippers here in set number 3. The next round is the regional round. Woo, that's an ace. Kaylin Haley with a rocket serve to make it 3-0. Lady Skippers. Cross court. Gomez with the kill. That kill attempt is long, and a quick 5-0 lead for the Lady Skippers. Gomez, long on her hit. Maria Morgan will serve for the Lady Bulldogs. And we have a double hit. Morgan to serve again. Gomez elevating and blasting it off the block. Miss Gomez has some hops for sure. LeCompte to serve. Boyland with the kill. Emily Boyland. Marissa LeCompte will serve. 7-2 the lead. Gomez. Eight, 2. Gomez, Boylan, Gomez. Outside, inside, outside for Coach Walker on the last few points. Let's see if he goes back inside. Well, that's not going to happen because the Lady Bulldogs get a point. Rotate back, and Saley Sanson will serve. That a back set, Mohammed with a good dig and a kill on the left side from Megan Morgan. 8-4. Good block from Baton Rouge that time. That one's going to be out. 8-5. Mandeville. A couple of points in a row now for the Lady Bulldogs. Sanson. Boylan block. That one's saved by Renato. Gomez. Gomez put the hammer on that one. Brandy Bundy will serve. 10-5 now. Mandeville. Lady Skippers won the first 2 sets. It's best 3 out of 5. They can wrap up the match by winning this set. Served by Bundy. That one was blocked. Mandeville keeps it alive. This one's going to be at the net. Oh. Lauren James had to jump twice there. She was expecting it to come. Got a little smile on her face. 11-5, Mandeville. 11-6. Keaton Hall will serve for the Lady Bulldogs. And Mandeville gets a point. Kind of an unconventional way, but they'll take it nonetheless. And Miss Gomez will serve it up. Side out rotation, Megan Morgan to serve. Boylan with the runaround. And a big hit right there. Allie LeBlanc to serve. Good block, but good job of keeping it alive by Baton Rouge. Good rally by both teams here. Kaylin Haley ended that rally, though. Baton Rouge fended off 2 or 3 kill attempts right there and got the ball back over, but not that time. LeBlanc on the serve, catches the net. 15-7, Lady Skippers. Timeout, Coach Atchie wants to talk it over here in set number 3. Mandeville up by 8 over Baton Rouge Magnet. LeBlanc to serve after the timeout. Nice hit from Maria Morgan. And that ball found the court inside the line, and a point for Baton Rouge Magnet. Natalie Bailey will serve. LeCompte. Nice play right there by LeCompte to guide it into foreign territory where no one could get to it. Barely got a hand on it, 16-8. Sarah Renato will serve. LeCompte again. Nine-point lead by the Lady Skippers. Renato to serve. That hit from Haley, Kaylin Haley, goes wide right. (17-9) now. Samira Mohammed to serve. Good play by Sanson at the net. And Mohammed will serve again. Jump style. That one's out. Lady Bulldogs on a little mini run right here. Got it back within 6. And an unforced service error will end many a rally. Kaylin Haley to serve. Gomez blocked. Lady Bulldogs with some blockage right there. Maria Morgan to serve. Good job of save by Baton Rouge. Natalie Bailey. And Lady Bulldogs almost can't believe it. But good play there. And Morgan will serve again. Double hit. That one drifted just over the net where Gomez could knock it down. 19-14 Lady Skippers. LeCompte to serve. Gomez long on that hit. 19-15. 4-point lead for the Lady Skippers, and Saley Sanson will serve. That one finds itself in off the hand of Gomez. 20-15. Brandy Bundy in to serve. Boylan at the net. Emily Boylan's had a pretty nice match here in that center area of the net. Bundy's serve is netted. 21-16. Timeout. Third set here. Mandeville up 21-16 over Baton Rouge Magnet. Coming out of the timeout, Keaton Hall will serve. Lady Bulldogs down by 5 here late in the third set. Jesse Dunnigan with that kill. Amber Sheffield checks in to serve. That's out. Almost a good save from the Lady Bulldogs. 23-16 now. Sheffield to serve. That one out. It's set and game point right here. Up 2-0. They can close out this one for a 3-0 win. Sheffield. And that'll do it. The Lady Skippers will advance to the regional round of the Division I playoffs. We're going to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foles, director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang, cameraman tonight, Dave the Ray Williams. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night. God bless. You be good. We are now leaving the prep zone.